ka Sien ka Nyngkong ka West Garo Hills nang Sien ka Pynlong ka awareness camp halo ka sports climbing and mountaineering ha PA Sangma Stadium ka badan ha Dock of Grey Tura ya ka balapin sedang nin kesengi bat en penkut mentah kesengi lapanya ya ka nika camp naka district sports office Tura ha ka jing trailang baka district administration Tura bat ka Meghalaya Sports Climbing and Mountaineering Association Walat prapumut ki kena puli nagi skul bape natura kilawan bani shimbenta ha kani kakam ya kabalayalam naka kunhun bakentup ya ki saungut kit khon balap teben ki badai naka Meghalaya Sports Climbing and Mountaineering Association kini ki kena kilayo jing hikai halor kumnu ban kiu ya ulum ban hiar lingba utlai bat kitiar kitar bapinan kam ha ka ban kiu lum kajing say so jong kani kakam kala Pynlong ya kakenhun bantmu ya kajing seng ya ka district level club nagabanta ka rock climbing and mountaineering ha Garo Hills kani ka sinjam kalong gumshi banta ban kanti ya ki Rio 8 spot bat ban pen baha ya ka sab ka pong jong ki khna ha ka te ka than
The motive behind is to encourage to take up the sport as part of the career. I think this is the first of its kind in Tura, mostly in Tura. So, like my dream is like one day later my people of Garo Hills, they could be a good climber. Say one day they will climb Mount Everest. So this is awareness, part of the awareness. As I said earlier, it's like to take the sport as a part of the career. Yeah, by seeing this, we have around 80 students here taking part. What I have seen yesterday is very encouraging. Some of them are very raw, talented. They can climb this artificial thing very easily and today without any difficulty. So even I have asked the children whether they are happy or not. They're very happy and they're very enthusiastic to take this part. I believe that if we continue such kind of awareness program and training, the youth of Garo Hills most probably will come up in state level and even in national level also.
This is for the first time from the association. We are organizing this awareness program to the school children, especially in this district. And in 2 days we have seen a good turnout by the students of 80 of them who participated and who show their interest, and at the same time they are very strong and they need a proper infrastructure and a proper training. As an association, we are ready to help, we are ready to promote this sport, because this sport now it is an Olympic event, and at the same time soon we are going to have national games here in Meghalaya. So we are expecting to get some students from this Garo Hills, and especially we hope they will do well. And we could see behind me they are climbing with this small climbing wall. So I hope that they will do well in this awareness program. See, this is, and for 20 years we have been concentrating this sport climbing, promoting sport climbing in our state Meghalaya. Especially we have started from East Khasi Hills, Ribhoi district, West Khasi Hill, Jainte Hills district, and now we have started our program in Garo Hills. So we have got good athletes from East Garo Hill, from South Garo Hill and from North Garo Hills. So this is for the first time that we have organized here in West Garo Hill, and we hope that many of them will take interest in this new sport that we have been introduced in our state. Actually, the time that it takes long time for from this district, because like we don't have any individual who are interested in this sport earlier, because it is not that much famous. But now when this sport it has become an Olympic event, so many of them they are taking initiative. And at the same time we have seen the government of Meghalaya through our Honorable Chief Minister, he has taken that interest to promote the sports here in Meghalaya, and especially through his government they have set up many infrastructure for the athletes, so that Meghalaya will produce good athletes from our region, so that we could compete regionally and nationally. And we hope that one day Meghalaya will produce Olympic athletes who will represent our state in the Olympic. So I congratulate our CM and his cabinet ministers who have been working hard to promote our sports here in Meghalaya.